Previously on a very special Ipsy Glam Bag Day.
It's a Tetris piece. Yay. These came in the mail. They are sheet masks. Sweet Honey Bear face mask is soothing and nourishing.
And now, the thrilling conclusion.
Hi, welcome back to the channel. This week I couldn't help but check out my Ipsy box that came in the mail, and there's some sheet masks in it. So we're gonna do that. Let's smooth and nourish today. Why not? Any towels. I've always been very thorough with my toner. Any youngsters out there, I recommend doing this. I know it sounds disgusting, but it gets all the dirt that is gross out of your ears and causes fewer issues with blemishes. When you're a teenager, zits happen in your ears. It's gross. It's unpleasant. By the way, I use Drops of Youth. This is a foam cleanser, and I use the Drops of Youth. It's an essence lotion, which is basically like a gentle toner. Alright, now, place mask onto face and adjust for best fit. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes and remove. Ooh. It smells like honey. It's really cute. I don't want these sheet masks. Oh my gosh, it looks like those. Okay. Now we wait. I don't know what you like to read while you've got a mask on your face. Good drink, you should do it ordinary work. Consists of small circles of mirror glass attached to a covered with functional sweet stitches. All of which are rounded with stitches art. The technique originated in India, where it was used both on clothing and thin loom. Mirrors are often used in combination with full, geometric, embroidery, colors, bone, chain, stitches, all worked in various colors, or golden threads onto the cloth. Sheet work now being interpreted in ways by contemporary embroiderers who have devised quick methods of incorporating mirrors and sequins into their designs. Here we are after 15 minutes. I feel weird. Alright. Let's do this thing. Ugh, it feels sit down, please. I don't know very hard. Woo. I think I will put some. This is another Ipsy product I got a while ago called Skin Drink. It's a moisturizer, but it's like a gel. See? Moisturizer is always up. And gently on the eyes. So yeah, if you like sheet masks, try this. This one is for smoothing and nourishing. So if you've got drier skin, I think this will work well for you. It doesn't feel greasy or gross. As always, thank you so much for being my community and watching my videos and liking and subscribing and all of that good stuff. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys. Alright, get this hair out of the way.